Alright, hi boys and girls. Today we're on lesson 132 and it looks like this. Last time we reviewed consonant digraphs, and today we are going to review vowel digraphs, but first we are going to go through some letter sounds. Alright, number 1 we have sh, sh. Number 2 we have th, th. Number 3 we have g, g. Number 4 we have e. Number 5 we have th. Number 6 we have h. Number 7 we have d. Final sound d, comma e, d. Number 8 we have p. Number 9 we have ng, ng. And number 10 we have t, or final sound t, comma e, d. Alright, make sure you have those written down. And next we are going to talk about our vowel digraphs. Let's look at these first. E, E, O, O, A, Y, O, W, U, E, A, U, and A, W. Alright, does anyone remember our picture cards for these? If you don't, I do, so I'm going to let you know. We have sheep for this one, for EE. For our OO, we have two. We have hook and tooth, depending on what sound our oo is making. AY, we have hay. OW, we have bow. UE, we have glue. AU, we have faucet. And AW, we have straw. All these that I have on this page are our regular spelling vowel digraphs. So digraph, two letters that come together to make one sound. And in these these are vowels because both of the letters are vowels, or they start with a vowel. They aren't always vowels. Here we have that OW. All right. So again, we underline because that's what we do with a digraph. All right. So this EE we use when we're spelling one syllable words like sheep, and there's an E sound in there. We use our AU and our AW. Our AW is if it's at the end of the word, that aw sound, and the AU is if it's at the beginning or the middle of the word. That's when we use that. All right, let's look at, so these are the few. You don't have to write these down, we're just going over them. Let's go over another set of our vowel digraphs. I actually want to turn my paper like this, my page. We have the AI. We have EA. We have OA. EY. IE. EI. And EW. So let's talk about our picture cards for these. This one we have rain. EA, if you remember, we have quite a few because we can pronounce this many different ways. We have leaf, thread, and steak. I gotta move it down here because I ran out of room. Our OA is soap. Our EY is key. Our IE is pie. Our EI is shield. And we have two. Wait. This white messed up. Our IE is pie or shield, and I spelled shield wrong on the other one, silly me. Our EI is veil and receipt. Alright, and our EW is cashew. If you guys remember, I told you how cashews are very delicious. Alright, so these are them, and these are just our other ones we use. Alrighty, we're going to practice spelling a few words with our digraphs. And remember, we always underline them. And we do some other coding with some of those, that EA one, if you can remember that. All right, let's move to the back. It's not the back for you, it's the back for me. All right, we're going to spell on number 11, always. Always. Number 12, we're going to spell each. It's that E sound in the beginning, so it's E-A and then C-H. Number 13, we have 3, so our and then E-E. Number 14, we have soon, soon. Number 15, we have no, that's our silent digraph, K-N-O-W. Number 16, we have draw, D-R-A-W. Number 17, we have because, B-E-K, that aw, s. And number 18, we have blue. This is blue like the color, not like blew out the candles. So this one is blue, and that's that UE digraph. All right, make sure you have all of these words written down, and then we are going to do some more coding. I forgot to mention this on the last video, but you will notice that there's a picture for every single one. You are drawing a line over to the one that matches. Okay, once we're done. Number 19, let's see if we can fit them all on this page. We have airplane. Some of these are compound words and some of them are not, unlike last time when they were all compound words. So here we have our AI digraph. And our I gets marked off, our A gets the macron. Here we have vowel, or A, consonant E, E gets marked off, A gets a macron. 20, we have a coffee pot. This is definitely a compound word, coffee pot. We will draw a line between coffee and pot. Here we have our EE digraph, and that's where we wouldn't say the second one. The first one says its name. Here we have vowel consonant gets a brev and vowel consonant gets a brev. All right, 21. We have cookbook. Again, a compound word, cook and book. Draw a line between. We have OO here and OO here. 22. We have a newspaper. All right, we're going to draw a line between news and paper. Here, do you hear that news? So our S gets a line through it to show it makes that Z sound. Here we have our EW. Here we have our ER combination. Our A is vowel consonant E, gets the macron. And our E doesn't need anything, I lied. All right, 23. We have a rowboat. This also is a compound word between row and boat. Here's our OA digraph. The O gets, or the A gets marked off, the O gets a macron, and then here we have our O and W. And our W gets marked off. And our O gets the macron. All right, 24, we have chimney. Here we have the EY. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we're going to draw a line in between the M and the N. Our I gets a macron. 25, we have shawl. So we have our SH digraph and our AW digraph. And number 26 is gingerbread. This is a compound word. Draw a line between ginger and bread. Here we have a lot going on. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Combination ER. We draw a line between our N and our G. Our I gets a brev. And then over here is our EA digraph, and it makes the eh sound. So we're going to cross off the A, and the E gets a brev. All right. Whew, that was a lot. That's all. Make sure you have it, or close to it at least. On the back is a picture and some words, to word bank to help you You are going to write 4 sentences. Make sure they have capital letters and periods and correct spelling. And that'll be all for today.